Every results season, schools and coaching centers get stuck in a mess. Teachers enter marks manually, creating mark sheets one by one. This takes days, sometimes even weeks. This is Marksheet Generator, a smart browser extension that ends the hassle of making results manually. Just enter the student data once, and this tool automatically creates all mark sheets, grade sheets, and report cards in perfect format without mistakes. Using it is super simple, just 3 quick steps. Step 1. Input your student data. Step 2. Click the extension button. Step 3. Your mark sheets are ready for every student instantly. With Marksheet Generator, save time, eliminate errors, and automate the entire process. Now creating result is no longer a hassle, it's just one click away. Start using Marksheet Generator today.